WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 31. Uncontrolled burning of forests encourages A. Deforestation, B. Afforestation, C. Regeneration, D. Exploitation. So, uncontrolled burning of forest is basically one of the problems that is encountered in forest management or management of forest resources, and we're basically asked what happens as a consequence of uncontrolled burning of forests. Now basically, when forests are burnt uncontrollably, what happens is that many of the trees in the forest are no longer suitable for various purposes. Okay, so let's say the trees in the forest were being grown for industrial purposes, for the purposes of making furniture. Okay, but once they are set on fire and burnt, what happens is that those trees are no longer suitable for that particular purpose. Okay, so since they are no longer suitable for that purpose, neither do they provide any form of or add any form of bioimportance. Okay, what happens then is that they have to be cut down or they have to be felled, and the felling of trees is basically described as deforestation. Okay, deforestation refers to the felling of trees. So uncontrolled burning of forests encourage deforestation because the trees will no longer be suitable for whatsoever purpose for which they were set out to be used for, so they have to be felled. So option A, deforestation, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.